Welcome to Mr. English Speaks. Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Speaks. I am Adam and I am very happy you are here with us today.
Hello, Adam. Hello, everyone. I am Sarah, and I feel excited to spend this time with you.
Today we have a very important and positive topic. We are talking about motivation and how to keep going in life and in English learning.
Yes, motivation is very important. Without motivation, it is easy to stop and feel tired or bored.
Sarah, let me ask you a simple question. What does motivation mean to you?
For me, motivation means having a reason to wake up and try again every day, even when things are not easy.
That is a beautiful explanation. Motivation is the feeling that says, I can do this, even when it is hard.
Yes, and motivation does not mean you feel happy all the time. Sometimes you feel tired, but you still move forward.
Friends, this is a very important point. Motivation is not magic. It is a small push you give yourself.
Exactly. Adam, do you remember a time when you felt unmotivated?
Yes, I remember very clearly. When I was learning a new skill, I felt slow and frustrated. I wanted to quit.
That feeling is very common. Many English learners feel the same way.
Yes, but I asked myself one question. I asked, why did I start?
That is a powerful question. Friends, listen carefully. Asking why gives you strength.
My reason was simple. I wanted a better future and more confidence. That reason helped me continue.
Let's pause and teach a useful phrase here. The phrase is, keep going. It means do not stop.
Good point, Sarah. Friends, repeat in your mind. Keep going. It is short and very powerful.
Now, Adam, how do you stay motivated when you feel tired?
I use small goals. I do not say, I will do everything today. I say, I will do one small thing.
That is a great tip. Small goals feel easy, and easy goals give you confidence.
Friends, here is a simple example. Do not say, I will speak perfect English. Say, I will learn 5 words today.
Yes, that is much better. Now let's practice together. Friends, say this sentence quietly or loudly. I will learn one small thing today.
Very good. Sarah, let me share a small story with our listeners.
I love stories. Please go ahead.
One day, I met a man at a coffee shop. He was learning English and he felt shy.
Oh yes, many learners feel shy when they speak.
He told me he practiced only 10 minutes every day. After 1 year, his English improved a lot.
That story is very motivating. 10 minutes sounds small, but every day makes a big difference.
Exactly. This teaches us another important word. The word is consistent. It means doing something again and again.
Friends, consistency is more important than speed. Slow and steady is okay.
Sarah, what motivates you when you feel low or sad?
I think about my future self. I imagine myself feeling proud and confident.
That is a great idea. Friends, close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself speaking English with confidence.
See yourself smiling and talking without fear. That image can give you motivation.
Another helpful phrase is believe in yourself. It means trust yourself and your ability.
Yes, friends, please remember this. Believe in yourself, even if others do not.
Sarah, sometimes people say, I am too old or I am not smart. What do you think about that?
I think those are just thoughts, not facts. Anyone can learn at any age with practice and patience.
That is very true. Friends, learning English is not about being perfect. It is about progress.
Progress means moving forward, even if it's slow.
Let's do a short practice now. Friends, answer this question in your mind. Why do you want to learn English?
Maybe for work, travel, confidence, or friends. Your reason is important.
Write your reason in the comments later. Writing helps your motivation grow.
Adam, what should learners do on days they feel very tired?
On those days, do something very easy. Listen to English for 5 minutes or read one short sentence.
Yes, something is always better than nothing.
Friends, here is a simple sentence to remember. Do your best today.
Not tomorrow, not next week, just today.
Motivation comes and goes, but habits stay. Build a small habit.
I love that idea. Habits make learning easier and automatic.
Before we finish, Sarah, what is one message you want to give our listeners?
My message is simple. Do not give up on yourself. You are learning, and that is already amazing.
Beautiful words. Friends, we believe in you and your journey.
Yes, we see you trying, learning, and growing every day.
Let's do a quick recap. Today we talked about motivation, small goals, consistency, and believing in yourself.
We shared a story, useful phrases, and simple practice ideas.
Now we have a question for you. What motivates you to learn English?
Please write your answer in the comments in simple English. It's great practice.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please like this video.
And subscribe to Mr. English Speaks for more slow, easy, and friendly English conversations.
Share this video with a friend who needs motivation today.
Thank you so much for listening and learning with us.
Keep going, keep learning, and believe in yourself.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now.